Hey guys, this is part 2 of the Bloodshot Condemned 2. I don't know how the title goes, but yeah. So, here we go. This is part 2. Let's finish this demo. It's probably not much of a demo. But, okay. I played a little bit right here because I got stuck. Because I didn't know what I was supposed to do, but okay. So, you pick up this brick and you throw it right here. Yeah, I spent like 20 minutes trying to figure that out. So, I'm sorry if you wanted to see the other gameplay because it was pretty boring. So, here we go. This is continuation to part 1. Hopefully this demo's not that long because I don't want like 4 parts to one demo. But it's all good. What is that noise? Oh shit! One punch, damn. Fuck you. Oh, another one. Fuck you. Look how he punches, it's weird. Look at his arm. Fuck you. I like spawn right here, so it's just like... Alright. Can I jump? I can't jump. Something's shaking. What the hell was that? Okay. Oh shit! See, it's probably not that scary because the brightness is all up, but it'll have to do because you guys can see it. So, let's not go down there. Oh. Jump down. It's probably yeah. Okay. Holy crap. Whoa! Wheelchair? Oh, no! No, fuck. No. That's not funny. I don't want to go. I'll pick that. Oh, there's something moved over there. This is not cool. No, I'm not going over there because there's something. No. Okay, I'll check. I'll check. I want to kill it. Oh no, there's an open door. Fuck. I don't want to go in here. There's another TV. That JIGSAW fucker. No, I don't want to watch it. I don't know where I'm going. I'm scared. What's this? Ooh, it's spiky, so it'll probably help. It's dark. It's pretty bright dark, if that makes sense. So, you see this wheelchair right here? This wheelchair right here fucking moved by itself if you couldn't see it the first time. Oh, it moved. There's another one. And there's cribs? What kind of shit is this? And there's nothing in here. Okay. If you want to go play hide and go seek, I advise you to go play hide and go seek by yourself, motherfucker. Oh! Fuck you, let's go. What kind of shit is that? Okay. Okay. I'm scared right now. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't go there. Where do I go? Oh, I forgot you could run. I think I have to go to that other room. Let's go over there. Fuck. This is where I went last time, so maybe I can open the door now or something? This door? Do I have to watch it? I'm gonna have to watch it.
If Malcolm Van Horn dies, you're on your own, and you'll be left to discover the answers to
This is some Jigsaw bullshit. I never played this game, so I don't know the story or anything. So this is some Jigsaw bullshit. This is some Saw and stuff. Okay, I just want to get out of here. Where do I go? So I have to save some fucker that I don't even know, and I probably don't want to save him. Actually, I don't want to save him. Do I have to? I probably have to, because it's the only way I'm going to get past this. How do you open this door? Do I have to throw it? No. Okay. I don't know what to do. I'm seriously lost. I went everywhere, I'm guessing. Wasn't... okay, where do I go? Can I go? This game is really weird. It feels like I'm drunk in the game because like the screen or whatever.
If Malcolm Van Horn dies, you're on your own, and you'll be left to discover the answers the hard way. Find it before it's too late. Don't let anger cost you your greatest ally.
Okay, I didn't give any tips. Oh, maybe this store. Please be this store? No? Okay. I was hoping that little video would give me a hint of where to go, because I don't know where I'm going. I don't want a long demo series thing. I don't want a long one. I just want to... Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out how to get to the next part. So I'll be back.